For our second hotel of the trip, we decided to stay at the SpringHill Suites by Marriott Minneapolis-St. Paul Airport Mall of America location. So this was about 2 minutes away from Mall of America, and it was just a different place to stay while we focused on other parts of our trip. Here is some highlights and our full review of the SpringHill Suites.
All right, this is our 2 queen bedded room at the SpringHill Suites. As soon as you walk in, a large bathroom with backlighting, toilet, shower, and tub. And then there's a large entryway here and a full-length mirror. And on this side, we've got just like a little mini area. There doesn't appear to be, oh, there is. There's the refrigerator and microwave. I like that it's hidden behind this door. And then an individual coffee maker and ice bucket. And then just an extra shelf up there. We've got a desk right here. And then this is where we'll put 2 or 1 of the kids. Little private room with just a half wall right here. And then coming around the corner, we have 2 queen beds. Another television. And let's see, I think this might be a closet. Yep, so here's the closet with a safe and an iron and ironing board.
Good morning from SpringHill Suites. One of the benefits of being at a SpringHill Suites in the morning is the complimentary breakfast. We got down here just at 8 o'clock and it was being refreshed. So we've got some oranges this morning. We got some blueberry muffins and we got some croissants. And then on this side we've got hard cooked packaged eggs. Lighting is down, there we go. And then we have pork sausage today. Over here is apple and orange juice. Inside the refrigerator we've got milks, and there was some blueberry yogurt down at the bottom this morning. And now we got the waffle makers, the Heartland waffle mix, and the waffle irons, and then coffee is available all day, 24 hours on the coffee. So let's go eat breakfast. So here is my breakfast. I got my waffle with my syrup. Got a cup of OJ. Also have a croissant and some sausage. Let's enjoy breakfast. Just finished breakfast. It was really good. Sausage was really cold, a little greasy. But outside there is MSP Airport Mall of America Bloomington Shuttle. And one of our party did stay behind yesterday and rode the shuttle over to Mall of America. Picked up at 20 after. And only took about 5 minutes to get over to the mall. It does stop at like couple different hotels and the airport. So kind of another great benefit for the SpringHill Suites in Bloomington. Near Mall of America is this free shuttle. So that was kind of cool. You just tip. You can take the shuttle over. Right across from the airport. Literally, the airport's on the other side of the highway there. See the Delta garage there, but kind of a cold morning, so it's going to be a little chilly, but we are about ready to go back up to the room and drive over to Pepin, Wisconsin. Look at the Laura Ingalls Wilder stuff. We're going to do a pickle factory for lunch. And maybe try to find apple orchard and do some apple picking. So gonna be kind of a random outdoor day, and come join us for the fun. There's less people here today, so I thought I'd check out the seating area. There's a larger seating area over here with a couple TVs, and then the lounge bar for the evenings. And then there's seating on this side with these high tables with lots of power outlets and USB chargers. Plenty of room to sit in the lobby this morning. Beyond the dining area is a little conference room. There's just 3 different conference rooms over on this side. I'm gonna walk over and show you the pool and fitness center now. Here's the outdoor patio again, and then there are some lobby restrooms, and then the pool, which says it's open 6 to 11, but it is currently closed. A little check-in desk. The pool looks like deepest point is 4 feet. It's not that big. There is a hot tub in the back, but again, it is closed at this time. The sign says, sorry, pool's closed. And then there is a little fitness center. There's a water machine, exercise room rules. And our people in here, so there's actually a lot of people in here. There's 3 treadmills, 2 ellipticals, a stair climber, and free weights, which is really surprising. So we'll kind of do it backwards here. There's Jordan. Hi, Jordan. Okay, so there's a couple of those, and we'll go down. Machines over here, and then a different machine over here. So the full weights here. There's the cardio balls. But that's it for the gym area. It is day 2 at the hotel, and we're going to check out breakfast on the second day. Oranges, blueberry muffins, and cinnamon raisin bagels today. And then in the center, get the toaster. We've got a bunch of cereals today. We didn't have cereals yesterday. We've got hard-cooked eggs again. This time it's chicken sausage. And these are links versus the patties yesterday. Yogurts, and now today we've got some Chobani yogurts. And then we still got the pancakes and coffee. So a little bit different than day 1, so that's always nice when they switch it up a little bit. And we'll do a room review next after breakfast. All right, we are in the room. We're finished and packing and getting ready to go. What did everyone think about this hotel?
I thought it was good. The beds were really comfy.
All right, Jordan, you slept in the living room area on the pull-out. How was that, bud?
It was creaky a lot, and it was kind of a thin mattress. It was comfortable, but like the mattress wouldn't go all the way to the back of the couch because it was like built in. So that was the one annoying part. But other than that, it was really good.
And one of the complaints we had was there's no bedding for that bed in the closets or anything, so we had to call down to the front desk and then actually go down to the front desk.
And we know it wasn't just our room because throughout our time staying here we've seen other people go down and get pillows and sheets for that bed.
So yeah, that was definitely one thing. We only got 2 towels for 5 registered guests. So we had to go get some towels, we had to get additional toilet paper, we had to get tissue. So everything's
and
just
soap.
been, we had to get more soap. Everything's just been a little bit off. Not perfect, but little steps that we had to do as guests to make our stay normal,
Yeah,
I would say.
Yeah, those steps were not something we should have had to have done.
And then little things with the room, like we found Jolly Ranchers like in the carpet that were like stuck to the carpet, and like we've tried to kick them, dislodge them. They're just stuck. There's a water spot in the bathroom It looks like there was a leak from upstairs that was never fixed. So just little things.
Yeah.
You know.
And that's just what we found in our room, and our friends who are also staying with us have also found things that they weren't happy about. So yeah.
So
I
yeah.
mean, great sleeping wise, hotel wise, it's kind of an eh.
Just a little off, and I think we felt the same way with breakfast too. Breakfast was, you know, good being included in the cost of our room.
Yeah, but like yesterday we got down there, what do you say, about 8 maybe?
Yeah.
Okay, about 8 o'clock, and they were already out of pretty much everything, and you had to ask them to bring more stuff out. But versus like we went today at 7 a.m. and everything was there. So it's kind of early bird gets the worm here.
It hit or miss. They were replenishing yesterday. Today it was fully replenished, but still just a little bit off. So good stay, convenient location, but because of the fact that there's so many other hotel properties in the very general vicinity, probably wouldn't stay here again. Would give one of the other, where we like Marriott's, so Fairfield or one of the other properties a stay next time.
Yeah, and I mean there's another Marriott directly in the other parking lot.
And over there.
Yep, so there's Marriott's everywhere. So that will be the end of our room update, but that's it for here. And now for us, it's back to the rat race.